Welcome to the new video of the Tech Check series presented by MainVPS. Today we'll understand how to create a WordPress account in cPanel. So let's get started. As we have already mentioned the benefits of cPanel in our previous videos, you must have known that cPanel is a user-friendly medium created to make things more convenient to manage their web hosting accounts. cPanel can be employed to manage domain names, databases, email accounts. And because WordPress is the most popular and used way to build a website, the website owners should start learning about the cPanels of WordPress. Now let's come to our main topic, installing WordPress on cPanel. First, log in to the cPanel. Search the Softaculous Apps installer in the search bar and click on it. Then, type WordPress in the search bar and click on it. Now WordPress details will appear. For installation of WordPress, you have two options: Quick Install or Custom Install. Choose as per your need. In Quick Install, you can choose Domain, Installation Directory, WordPress version. Then type username, password, your email ID, and select the plugins if you need them. Now we select Custom Install. Choose Protocol under the Software Setup. Then type website name, description, and other options under Site Settings. Now choose your preferred language and advanced options if you want. Then select the theme if you want to install the theme. If you want login details in your mail, then type it under Email Installation Details. After that, just hit Install, and here you go. So, this is how you can install a WordPress account in cPanel. Stay tuned for more informative videos.